All right, so I skipped working at the office today to work on this because I knew the whole day was going to be spent on the drudgery of creating blog posts. So got a new URL spun up, laptoprepairkansascity.com, and this is my new blog site. And so these are just all blogs that are written for the sole purpose of creating a backlink website, if you will, that is trusted by Google. So most of the stuff on here, it's linking to like legitimate like links. They're not these aren't like linking to me. So I just started this. I think I did one article last night and then quite a few new articles today. And so let me see if I can find. And so the way that I did this whole thing is I just use Envato. And so with Envato, it's $200 per year, and you get unlimited downloads for videos, audios, like graphics, logos. So that logo I copped on Envato. The theme here I copped on Envato. So let me see here. Yeah, so WordPress themes. And then normally I just look through the popular stuff because, again, I'm not trying to go too crazy on these sites. The sites that I'm making right now, these backlink sites, I'm just trying to find something that has, somewhat of a decent theme that can make a decent blog. And I found that with this one right here. And so just still working on this. I also added another blog article today to the other blog that I have going, which is computerrepairkansascity.com. And in this one here, same thing. So these links, they're linking to, actual relevant information. So if someone came in and read this article, I mean, honestly, even though it was completely written by AI, I mean, they would get the information that they need out of this. I mean, it's lots of, valuable links like that right there, like, but the purpose at the end of the day is to slip my backlinks in there every now and then. And so I think with this most recent post that I just did, which is this one right here, I gave it an older date just because I want to spread these dates out a little bit. I don't want everything coming out on the same day, but I just created this like right before I clicked on record. And so I did give myself a backlink here. So if you click on IT support, it takes you to my website and it takes you to the blog for IT support. And so I'm just trying to build a bunch of backlinks back to the website for relevant, keywords, so that my website starts getting known in the search engine for these keywords that I'm trying to dominate, trying to rank for, all that stuff. So all I did with that logo is downloaded it from Envato and then just took it out to Photopea. I don't know if you guys have ever seen that, but I know a lot of people, they don't want to purchase or maybe they just can't afford to purchase the Adobe, the Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. And with this website here, it does both. So you can dump like Illustrator files in here and manipulate them just like you were using Illustrator. Same thing for PSD files. So I have Photoshop, and that's what I use. But anytime I get one of these Illustrator files, I just open it up in this program here, or this, web application. But that's all the stuff it'll open up, pretty much anything. So you can use that even if you don't want to pay for Photoshop, if you want to start building these blogs yourself. So trying to think, oh, my son finally left. He's gone. His flight left last night about 8 o'clock. So don't know when he's coming back. I think 6 months or a year, something like that. I don't know. He might end up messing around and, getting some chick pregnant or something and staying. I don't know. We'll see. Not sure yet. So I'm just going to keep working on this. So I did, I think maybe 3 to 4 for this category. Yes, I did 4 in that category. Cybersecurity, I did maybe 3 or 4. Yeah, so 4 in there. And I've only done like 1 for this category. So just going to keep working on this today. And again, you're following an MSP that works at an office now, but starting at home. I just rented an office so that I can kind of clear my head and, work without all the distractions that I get at home, and also have an office big enough so that I can hire somebody and have somewhere for that person to go, and not just, work from home, because I don't trust someone to work from home. Not yet, not my first employee anyways. So follow the channel if you want to see me go from working from home to an office to picking up more clients to hiring my first employee. So that's it for today. Like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.